Hey everyone, today we will be installing the Spiderfarmer ventilation kits. The spiderfarmerinlinefan and carbon filters effectively remove unwanted odors, ideal for use in grow tents or enclosed grow areas. Before you begin installation, make sure you have all the parts you need and ensure there are no defects. It is a complete set to provide good air circulation and remove all smells in your space. Very easy to install. You can set it up in several ways to fit your needs and save money with a fan and filter combo kit that all works great together. Congratulations on completing your new installation. If you haven't already purchased yours, check out the Spiderfarmer available exclusively from www.spiderfarmer.com. Spiderfarmer offers a diverse range of products like LED grow lights, grow tents, ventilation systems, and more, all designed to enhance plant growth and meet all your shopping needs in one convenient stop. The better way to grow.